back with another video really fast. It's going to be a real quick video. I got another online Coach order, and it actually came pretty fast because I had just ordered these darn things, and it came yesterday. Y'all know I love me a good old bag charm. So these are 2 bag charms that I got from the outlet, and they were on sale. So let me show you guys what I got really fast. That's one thing about the outlet stuff. Boy, they have that stuff just wrapped up good. So this how it this is how it came. Oh, this is so cute. Baby, they got this wrapped up. So here is my first bag charm. And this is the Wildflower in the pale pink. So this is so freaking cute. And I got this one on sale for $39.20. And they retail for 98 bucks. So you can either do it as a bag charm with the little hook right here, or you can use it as a keychain. I like to use these as the bag charms because they are so freaking cute, and they give it like a nice little pop to your bag. And I'm gonna do a video on my bag charms and show y'all how I store my bag charms. So that'll be coming up. So this is the first one. Sit that right there. And like I said, that is the color pale pink. And then here is another one that I got. I love how they have each individual flower wrapped. So freaking cute. Ooh, this one is cute. Oh, this is so cute. Y'all, and here is the other one, and this one is called Bright Ginger. So here's that one. I hope y'all can see it, but it has like the little orange, blue, and a little tan mixed up in there. So freaking cute, y'all. That is so cute. So I have that one. And then I have this one. Y'all, these are so freaking cute. And this will go good on like the, if you have that, like that pollen color Cassie or the navy blue Cassie. Oh, that'll go so cute. Or if you got like a taupe color bag or a chalk color bag. I mean, you can put it on whatever kind of bag you want, but that'll kind of make it pop. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that. And both of these were $39.20. Super duper cute. Yeah, I thought they were, I don't know, I thought they were 20 something, but now I guess they were 39 or whatever, which is still a great deal because these little things, child, they'd be kind of, that'd be a little pricey. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that. And then on the back it has like Coach right there. If it'll focus. There you go. It has Coach on the back of it. And then it has this cute little dingly thing that says Coach also. I think that's cute. But yeah, y'all, I love me a good old bag charm. And so I decided to pick these up. Normally when they come out with a new bag charm, I try to get them or whatever, because I love these. Because these right here sell really, really fast. And then, you know, people will buy them up and then try to do the most when they be trying to resell them. Child, I can't with these people and their prices. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. But yeah, y'all, just want to show you guys that's really fast. And if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.